Alright, so my name is Kyrus, and I have had quite a lot of experience when it comes to computers. I spend most of my life working on computers and just surround myself in computers in general. And I figured I would make a quick little tutorial on how to speed up a computer if it's running slow on you. So there's a couple reasons why it could be. One, it could be your drivers are out of date. Two, it could be that you might be out of memory. Your memory might be maxing out, so it might be a hardware issue. Or it could be a virus or like malware. And I'm going to show you a couple of methods to figure out how to fix these certain issues and where to look and that kind of thing. Alright, so first I will show you how to check to see if your drivers are outdated. So first, I usually use Driver Booster. It is a simple software that will check and see if any of your drivers are out of date. So like it will scan your computer, and if there's any outdated, you just click update in this top right corner and it will update all your drivers for you. But if you don't like the idea of downloading an external software, you can go down to the bottom left here, go to Device Manager, wait for this to open up, and then you can go through here and just select all the drivers you want to update. So like for example, if I wanted to update my GTX driver, you click Update Driver. It will search automatically for driver software online, and if it finds something, it will automatically update it for you. And it says I already have the best driver because I use Driver Booster. So there's that. So that could be one of the reasons why your computer is running slow. Next reason could be that your computer needs a little bit of some like cleanup work going on. So second, I use this system called Advanced Systems Care to optimize my system and do like registry cleanup and defrag. So it will clean up all the junk files that might be slowing down your computer. Because like for example, right now my C drive is kind of full and I need to empty it, and that could very well be slowing down my computer. So that's another way to clean up your computer. So you just click scan, it will go through and clean up all the privacy traces, junk files that could be slowing down your computer, and do system optimization. Another thing I like to use for this kind of thing is a thing called CC Cleaner. It will do another sort of a thing, but I feel like CC Cleaner is more an in-depth version of this. This is more of just a quick overview. So this will go into depth and clean your computer of all the junk files that might be slowing down your computer. So the third thing that could be slowing down your computer is you could have some form of virus of some kind. So I tend to use WebRoot as my security software. It's a paid for security software, and it will scan your computer all the time and alert you if there's any issues. But if you don't want to pay for a security software, I would recommend something like Avast. Avast is a pretty good security software that's free to use and is very popular, so I would recommend that one. And if you just start feeling like your computer starts glitching out and seems off, it very well could be a virus. But other than that, I believe you should be good. If it's still running slow after all those things, it could be a very well hardware issue. Your RAM could be maxing out. To check to see your RAM, you just go over here, you can type in Task Manager and it'll open this window. So like if you go over here and go to what's called performance, you can see if your memory's maxing out. So like for example, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM. If it's maxing out, then you very well could be running out of memory or CPU, or even your storage quality or your GPU could be maxing out. There's a couple different reasons that it could be that. If it's not one of the top first three things I said, it could be a hardware issue. Oh, and another way to speed up your computer potentially is turning off some startup devices. Like I have a bunch of random startup devices, but I keep them off because if you're not using them at the moment, they're just gonna keep chewing up your RAM and CPU. So might as well keep them off and don't let them start up at the beginning. So I think that is pretty much a very just overview of things you can do to make your computer run faster. I hope that helped, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.